What's up, you guys? How you guys doing? It's a nice, beautiful Sunday here in Accra. I'm in Oyarifa. This is a view of the nice, beautiful Oyarifa mountains. And as you guys can see, I am currently standing at my new location of Jerk Soul. Can you guys believe it? I finally found my new location. I've been looking. I wasn't even sure that this was gonna be in the cards, but the Most High is awesome. And he provided me with this beautiful location right on the Oyarifa Road. And as you guys can see, it's a rooftop. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this nice space up with some really cool furniture, some really cool people, some very, very good food, and some awesome music. So, oh, I'm sorry, and to accompany this beautiful view, I love this view. I can't wait to sit and have a drink and just chill out and think about the Most High and have a good meal. I mean, this view is priceless. It's priceless. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. I went up into those mountains recently because that's when I'm having a lot of my furniture constructed. Wood fresh from the Oyarifa Mountains. I keep saying, I just figured it out. I keep saying Oyarifa Mountains. It's Aburi. These are the Aburi Mountains, not Oyarifa. I'm tripping. What am I talking about? So yes, these are the Aburi Mountains, and it's just really, really nice. Okay. It's my rooftop. Jerk Soul coming soon. We got the glass walls coming up pretty soon. This is, of course, the outside rooftop. Then, of course, in here, all right, this is gonna be all glass. Okay. Inside, nice air-conditioned restaurant. My bar area is gonna be here, you know? And how awesome is this? Like, the view when you're in the bar, I mean, my goodness gracious, like, how cool is this? Super cool. So, I'm excited. I'm happy. All praises to the Most High. All praises to the power of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. We finna do this. Shout out all my guys back in the States, all the homies. Shout out the family. I'm here, yo. I'm doing it for the fam, you know what I mean? I'm doing it for the diaspora. It's showtime, man. I'm gonna come back and get that. Yeah, I'll get it in a second. I'll be back. All right. What's up, y'all? Man, look. I'm back in the Aburi Mountains, and man, I'm talking about this stuff is fly. Y'all don't even understand how raw my furniture gonna be. Look, let me show y'all something. I'm gonna come through here. You know, these my peoples. Yo, check this out, yo. Let me show y'all how fly. Look how fly this bench is. That bench so dope. Bro, they got all kind of dope ass. I don't know what's going on right there, but look at this. Look how dope this is. Man, I might put that in my restaurant, bro. You already know how I'm coming. Look at this table. I mean, this chair. Huh? This mask? I like this mask. It's kind of expensive, but I like it. This table, this chair, really nice, man. Yeah, he told me how much this mask. I like it though.
It's about 18 years that I created it.
18 years?
Yeah, I keep it for 18 years.
Wow.
You gotta pay in the restaurants.
See, I would have to get 2 of them.
I'll give you the 2. If you give me good price, I'll give you 2.
All right. So, what do you think as far as the numbers?
The chair I can consider for 350.
The chairs? Like these chairs?
Because this one, almost 10 belongs to somebody. This one is 500.
Oh.
I did for somebody. By you are buying more. And it's not about the 10. That's why I said I can make it 350 for you.
So it's more than what the brother he told me.
Yeah, I've reduced the
250.
price. Which one?
He said these would be 250.
The bars 2. That one is the bars 2.
How much did the brother say that these were?
Yeah.
But the difference is 16,000.
What's this?
The difference between you and the end is 16,000. Yes.
That's why I said I made this one for somebody. It's 10.
Yeah.
500 each.
Okay. Yeah, because it's huge. I understand.
500 each.
But
and that one is 400. I can give you 350.
Okay. So the price is going up.
So that they really expect so much from you.
That's why they called me, because
you are wearing.
Because they don't.
Contact me.
Okay.
Oh, now wood is expensive now. You see the board? When I cut it, I get only 3 for chairs.
Have you lived up
And it's my organic board. That's the perfect wood. Somebody can have it for a long time.
Right.
Than all the wood. Neem tree, my organic is good wood. Either rain or harmattan, it's not going to crack. So we use that wood quality.
Yeah.
It's my star that shine.
I
pray too. I pray.
Yeah, you prayed?
I pray.
I'm gonna pray. He must have made me stop.
I said, God, give me a customer.
Yeah.
God, help me.
And so this is my deal, right? So I'm giving him the job of doing 12 tables. Wait, hold on. No. Yeah, 12 tables, 60 chairs, 10 bar stools, and 3 long table.
How many feet?
I don't even know how many feet they are, but I think they're about 6 feet.
Then you have to give me 3 jobs here, because if I'm giving you the chair for 300, I'm coming.
Well, look. If I don't get tables from you, I'm gonna get some other things.
For him, he's in for business.
I'm here. I'm just trying to do some business. That's all. I'm just trying to do a little bit of business. That's all. Yo, these are fly. I ain't gonna. If y'all can see these, not that, but if you can see these in person, bro. I mean, I just like the fact that even if he give me the same price, These are done already.
Yes, and no, I first want to install.
Yes. He's not doing that. Yeah.
I'm considering the workers over there. So whatever you want to do for you,
They can do it.
and for him, when the job is too much,
Yeah.
might be complaining that you said bring the money, bring it,
And right now, I only got a month and a half.
some,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
then some also.
Okay. Yeah.
Really interesting. But I mean, the last time you caught
So you can, when we go, you can just say, you should work on it.
Yeah. The tables. Yeah, that's fine. He could just do the tables alone. And
Or if you not even, the tables have any,
12 of the big ones. Same.
Come and see something.
no, they say
Same
you can
tree.
check already.
You can, because we have table that can go all around.
Oh
See
man.
this one? It's 2.
Yeah. Okay, look, you know what? This is the size. This size table.
You are taking round size. It's not square.
No.
Like I want to
No.
Oh no. It's these.
round. All right.
Over style.
Yeah. It's this kind of table, same size. How much are you charging for something
This
like
one
this?
I've sold is 2. I sold it 4,200.
Okay. All right, cool.
It's my organ and my design is heavier. It is different.
Yeah, it's different.
My designs are different. If you watch my new table that I'm creating, it's different. Especially see this table. I don't want to talk to you. I want to
Yeah, woman is that. Yeah, the cost story building.
I am a trainer here. That's what I'm trying to do. You see this table? It's very lovely.
Yeah.
This table.
Uh-huh.
I have about 10 of them. It's lovely. It's a dining, it's a cute, and it go about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
6.
7. If you can take 6. As you see, it's small.
Right.
If you want it cute, you can give them like 2, 6.
Yeah. I mean,
You see the other one at the up there. So it's a lovely piece. I'm getting a dog for somebody at the restaurant.
so these are the tables. It's just like that I will put your chairs at.
See that this one is the bigger than the one inside.
Is it?
Yeah, this one can take about 8 chairs or 7 chairs.
Yeah.
This foot. 5 foot.
6 by 5.
So this one, because the COVID-19, if you want to come down, you can take about 6 chairs.
Okay.
But actually for 8, 7.
Yeah, so it won't be a problem to match your chairs up with the tables that I'm using. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get other things
No problem.
like that freaking. I didn't even see that giraffe right there.
Yeah.
That's hot. But I like that bar. I like that.
If you want, I'll get you the bar.
Yeah. So I'm gonna get other things,
No
bro.
problem. Let's do it.
Oh man, this is dope right here. Look at this. The giraffe. Yeah. So we gonna do other business, bro.
No problem.
I'm about to fall.
You're welcome.
For you, for the bank, you see that.
So can I get the chairs for 300?
Yeah, let's track there.
That's see where I'm from in America. When we come with a big deal like that, they throw in some freebies too. Like,
Don't worry.
here's a, I mean,
Water is coming later.
like this. Give me this for free. Nah, but
If you buy the pair, I'll be because the market women.
yeah,
About
this,
slave trade.
huh?
Slave trade, how our market women struggle to help. Because
Really?
they sold all the giants men and remain the women taking care of children. So that's why you can see thinking together.
Yeah.
See thinking together and market woman. It's a wood that now you can't get it.
Wow.
It's lovely.
It's like 6 feet tall.
Yeah, 6 feet tall.
and a bishop of the president.
Smaller than me.
Mas anyway, I'm out for them.
Man, that's dope, man. You did this yourself?
Yeah, 18 years ago.
Man, that's dope.
Even I have it in my house. I got here last month to repolish it and take it back to the house. I have a few things in my house. Big things. If you want to sell it, I won't take it back. I'll sell it for you.
I'm gonna buy some things. Not just the chairs.
If you have a bar, you want to arrange with the wine, we know how to arrange it.
These big dicks and stuff, they gonna put in on the bar?
This one, dig like this, I can make a metal inside, you make it a coffee table.
What?
So when a woman's birthday, you want to laugh and laugh, it's a surprise
okay,
table
yeah.
that, wow, the ladies.
Yeah.
Then they start laughing. Hey, never see that dick. I'm sitting on the big chair. I'm sitting on the big table.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, y'all. Hey, man, check this little piece out. I do, man. I mean, I don't have no reason to buy it, but it's dope. I mean, her face is priceless right now. His face is, yo, it's crazy. And they going ham. They is going ham. I'm like, oh, no, wait, hold on. What is that? Let me clean that up. Yo, what is going on right now? This is dope. I can't front. That's dope. So what's up, brother? Dope piece. What's up, guys? Guys, you know that I love Mexican food, so I had to come out and find one. And so I think I found, this is actually the second Mexican joint that I found so far in Accra. And I'm just getting myself a drink. What's your name, sir?
Sorry, Abraham.
Asaria Abraham. Okay. Oh, that's what I got that on my shirt. Abraham.
Wow. Abraham Deco, Isaac Deco.
Yeah.
Wow.
So this is the decor. Wonderful server. My wonderful server. So really quaint place with colorful furniture and everything. You know, nice amount of seating. So you see they got the Mexican music playing like I was in America. So look at that. Iguanas and stuff. Here's a little oh, okay. They got a couple little spices and stuff in here. I ain't know. Chipotle. I might come in here and grab a couple things. Got some hot sauces. Okay. Cool art on the walls. Not bad, not bad. Oh, let me show y'all real quick. What's this? Some wings. He gone. He went home. He went home. So I'm getting a special drink from my friend here. He's whipping it up, hooking it up. What's that? Pineapple? Oranges. Okay. I got a feeling this is gonna be good. La Cocina Mexicana. drink. How long have you been bartending? 13, 14 years? Wow. That was a good Long Island too.
Thank you.
It's not on the menu. I didn't know if you were going to be able to pull it off. It was good. All right, so my food finally came. All right, it didn't take long. Shouldn't say finally, because it didn't take long. But you want to see? You want to see it? You want to see? You want to see what I got? Check it out. All right, so I already showed y'all my starter with the wings, but my other food came out as well. So I got the drink that the brother was hooking up for me. It tastes good. The wings are straight. But Africa needs like blue cheese and ranch. They don't really have like sauce. You know, in States we dip our wings in sauce. Then I got the chimichanga. Looks good. Then I got 3 tacos, 2 steak and 1 chicken. So as you can see, I'm about to throw down. So since I got work to do, I'ma holler at y'all later. Peace.